I'm Andrew Rowan from Andrew Rowan Wealth Management. We run a financial planning business. The aim of our business is to help people achieve their hopes, dreams and aspirations with certainty, whatever they may be. Working in a business on a day-to-day basis as a technician and then trying to do some business planning for myself is pretty demanding, really. It's hard to take yourself out of the business, so what we needed, or what I needed in particular, was some accountability, someone like Glenn and Ewan, just to sit down and go through that process about where I wanted to be. Sharp Accounting have helped me grow my business by just helping me identify where I want to be. You kind of do get stuck in the day-to-day aspects of just simply being in the business instead of standing back and having a look at the business. Just someone that you can bounce some questions off, because business is tough and you need support of your accounting practice, so Sharp Accounting, just to be there for you. We are actively involved in managing a core share portfolio for our clients. Direct share portfolios are an excellent way for people of all ages, really, but in particular young people, and we really encourage young people to explore that aspect of investing, because someone can go from having nothing to having $5, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 in a very short period of time, just by getting some structure and investing in something that's going to grow over time. They are always up for challenging you and challenging the status quo and challenging your ideas. They don't just pander to what you want, they'll put it straight back at you and get you to think about whether the direction that you're wanting to go is a good idea, or whether the idea that you have is in fact a good idea, and push and challenge you to grow, really. I definitely do want a business where where I have the freedom to come and go a little bit, and one of the things that we've been working on is making sure that the business is set up structurally to allow us to achieve that going forward. When you start a business, you should be starting from that day to extract yourself from the business. That is, that unless you can do that, you don't really have a business. You've got a job and you're working for yourself. But working on the business to have a business where you can be out of the business, but the business is still working independently of you, is really the goal. And one of the things that you need to do that, because of the nature of business, is that you've got to have an accountability coach. You've got to have somebody that's going to hold you accountable to that aim. Otherwise, you just get dragged back into it. They're actually living and breathing what they want their clients to do. They push you to be accountable. They don't allow you to just go off and think that what you're doing is okay. They challenge you with every step of the way. A really unique thing from my perspective, in terms of my observations over the accounting profession over many years.